Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely weight loss smoothie, and it's going to be oats, nuts. If this is your first time visiting this channel, just to let you know, you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a positive comment. Let's get into the video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lovely, delicious, and healthy oatmeal weight loss smoothie. Here we have pumpkin seed, we have some cashew, chia, almond, and we have some rolled oats. And I'll be using some soya in this rather than the regular milk. So this is what I'm using. I'm using a soya plant-based milk in this. And I will take you through the process. Stay tuned. So I'm going to add some almond in it. And almond is very healthy for you. Almond help to reduce blood sugar, blood pressure, and other cardiovascular disease. I'm going to add oats onto that. And the oats is an excellent blood sugar regulation also, and good to lower your cholesterol level. Also, it's good for weight loss and antioxidant. I'm going to add some cashew to this. And cashew is very healthy, good for your heart, and it's a healthy fat, and it's give you enough fiber, and it's also a plant protein. So I'm going to add some pumpkin seed to this. Pumpkin seed is very healthy. Pumpkin seed, especially for men, is very good to increase men fertility. Also, it's a good act of fiber, full of magnesium, and also may reduce risk of cancer. It's good for your bladder and prostate and promote good heart health. Now I'm going to add chia seed in, which that's very healthy also. Chia seed is very healthy. It's a fatty acid, full of fiber and omega-3 also, and it's good to lower your blood sugar and blood circulation. So onto this, I'm going to add about 600 ml of the soya milk in. Now with this, if you need any other spice in it, feel free to add some spice to it, like, nutmeg. For me, I'm just going to grate a bit of nutmeg in this. So that's personal preference. And if you feel for a little sweetener in it, you can add banana. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of honey in this. That's personal preference. Just make it to your lightness. So I'm just going to pop the lid on. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of Celtic salt. That's personal preference. Celtic salt is very healthy for you. Full of vitamins and mineral also. So this is finished blend now. So all you have to do, you don't need to put it in the fridge because the milk was inside the fridge. So just get your desired cup or jug. Make sure you pour them out. Then enjoy.